No, they worry yourself. I dey tell you this thing. No, they worry yourself. No, be woman. Eh?
Bro, you no go understand. That babe come into my life. Everything.
Another one go come. That one wey don come, don go. Calm down. No, they think you before you begin come get high blood pressure.
I don't want again. I don't want anything woman again. I don't want.
So this is where I stay. Oh, nice place. It is so good to see you. It is so good to see you, guys. Anyways, just 1 second. Nebo, okay. I beg. Let me see your teeth. You like your guy.
My guy?
Yes.
This
guy will do here.
This one.
Yes. And
No.
we will run them. I will invite her over and then.
I live now. Which one you going to discuss for you?
God don't answer your prayer.
What's happened?
That's really that depression you don't take to make you kill yourself. Make you not kill yourself this period. Get one girl they won't carry from you now. And fine girl.
Hey, they wine. I don't want anything girl. I don't
talk this. I go toss him. You know sweet. You know the sweet thing they get.
Wait, which one they get?
That one you see now. You don't see him.
That one we follow your neighbor.
I tell you truth. You don't say the girl they come.
Like today.
Nah. So go.
Special advice. It's your talk now too, but you go not special advisor. This your talk now too, but you go land person. For biggie wahala, busy mouth, busy mouth, busy mouth, busy.
I heard you got your heart broken.
I know the real word. I know the real word. I get coconut head. I get big ear. But I know the real word.
Oga, now look down for this side. Which kind of thing this one? I don't know the first time. You open, you won't close the door. Which kind of thing now?
Which one can come from you? Funny people.
You won't come close the door. Which kind of
Bombastic side eye.
More for this bag. More for this bag before I shout. I go shout. Hey, Apple.